Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another thoughts on video here on this box right here. This is the Wander Beauty Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit that I bought off the Sephora website. I did order this online through Rakuten. Rakuten is basically a cashback website that used to be called Ebates. So if you guys are not signed up for that and you do a lot of online shopping, make sure you do so. I have a referral code in the description box down below. I think currently Sephora is offering a 2.5% cashback. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's still something, right? Like every 3 months and you get a little bit of cash coming back, you can probably spend it back on Sephora, right? Anyways, with that being said, I originally bought this kit basically for my vacation that basically got canceled because of this pandemic. And I thought, okay, all of this that I need for skincare, perfect, all in a box like this. And at the same time, I've tried Wander Beauty through FabFitFunBox. I've tried their eye mask and I really liked it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot in terms of their other skincare products in this line. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys know what I thought about each of these products. So when you open it, it is nicely displayed like this. I kind of wish that it came with like, a travel bag of some sort or like a kit that I can carry with me. I mean, I guess I could carry this box, but it's a little bulky and I feel like there are spaces where I could have put other things and, maximize my carry-on or my luggage. This retailed for $45.60 Canadian. So I wouldn't say I'm getting the bang for my buck, that's for sure, because as you can tell, these three products right here are travel size. There's 2 eye masks in here. I've tried out the eye mask and it has this like gold foil just like the photo. Super hydrating, very relaxing. I prefer eye mask over a face mask because it's something quick. I could just pop it on and kind of, do other things and not have to worry that, oh, my hair is touching on it or anything like that. So I do enjoy using eye mask a lot more, and I do like the Wander Beauty one. So with that being said, I did try out the Wander Beauty Extended Stay Hydrating Mask. I thought just because I'm not going on vacation doesn't mean I can't try out the skincare, right? I actually like this one. It goes on clear and it smells really good. It really does, I remember. Yeah, it smells really nice. It smells a lot like the Wander Beauty eye mask that it has. So, like I said, it goes on clear. It's pink, and it goes on clear. It's always nice when you go on vacation with other people that, you don't scare them, right? I always worry about scaring people with, my face mask or anything like that. But it goes on clear, even though the substance itself is pink. And I definitely felt it was really hydrating. A little goes a long way, so this little tube actually would last me some time. Like if I went on a 2-week vacation, I think this would be enough. I'm not saying I would use it every night in terms of a hydration mask. It's one of those masks where you leave it on and then you just wash it off with lukewarm water. That's basically how it is. The next one here that I tried out was the Wander Beauty Lift Up Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It claims it's supposed to give you that nice glow after you use it. This, on the other hand, was slightly disappointing in my perspective. I had to use a lot to apply onto my entire face, and I feel like the amount that they give you here doesn't actually last that long. And it comes in this weird, I wouldn't say it's weird actually, a maroon / purple kind of color, and that's how it looks like. It does dry really quickly, but the amount that's in this tube, I probably can use it maximum 3 times maybe. And of course, once it dries, you can peel it off, but on areas where you don't apply enough, you can tell because then it breaks off and it doesn't come off in like one layer like some of these peeling masks does. But the color, I think it's actually pretty funky. But I mean, to me, it's cool to have because it's a mixture of pink, purple, and orange actually, which I believe it's the ingredients that they use because it's supposed to be with goji berry, blueberry, lychee, and green tea in it. So that's what it is. I didn't think it really gave me that glow after I peeled everything off. In fact, I got really frustrated on areas that I didn't apply enough because it just kept on going like, oh, okay, little bit off, little bit. So it's kind of like not a one full on peel off. So that could just be my problem that I didn't apply enough, but I kind of felt like, oh, okay. Also didn't give me that glowing effect either. And I did try to apply a generous layer, but with the amount that's in this tube, I feel like I probably would have only gotten like 3 uses out of it. Last but not least that's in this kit is the face oil. I don't have a whole lot of experience with face oils because I've always suspected that face oils give you breakouts. And with that being said, I already have basically a combination dried skin, but I also have eczema that breaks out and acne breakout during the time of my month sometimes. So therefore, I've always been hesitant to even try out face oils. So I think I've tried out maybe like a handful in my lifetime, and you know, this was one of them. This is the Glow Ahead face oil. I have to say it wasn't as oily as I thought it would be. So I applied it on areas like my cheeks, all over my face and everything, day and night. And I have to say it's not bad. It's not bad at all in terms of it being a face oil. It wasn't as oily as I expected it to be. So, you know, I have a little bit at the tip of my finger. And it's just super hydrating. Like, it didn't break me out, so that's what I liked about this formula. So, not bad, not bad. It is obviously on a fairly smaller end, like it's more of like a, I don't know, a deluxe sample size. So it's not too bad in my perspective, but like I said, I don't have a lot of experience with face oils to actually give you guys my full-on thoughts, I guess you can say. I noticed that the skincare line uses a lot of like berries and like fruits kind of thing, which is great. I do like that, and I do like the scent of it because it doesn't smell very like chemical, like heavy on the chemical side, which some brands have that. So I do like how like it's more natural. But in terms of like, I guess cost-wise, for me to pay over $40 for something that's more like a deluxe size sample and 2 eye mask, it seems a bit pricey in my perspective. But of course, if you want to try out these products individually, you absolutely can. But I just love trying it out in you know, smaller form just in case I don't like it. But overall, not bad. Bang for your buck, definitely not on that end. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, remember to give me that thumbs up, and I will continue making videos and popping it on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on that little bell for notification. I shall see you guys in my next one.